Oh, yes. I'm sorry about the cutoff of the video. I'm waffling on and on, only to find that my video stopped. What did we do? Put on this. My goodness. I think I got as far as putting this on. Then I decided I would put that Believe in Yourself. I've put some lace on the inside edge. And then I made this booklet. Made this flower. Gee, I'm so annoyed that it stopped. Okay, this page, it's again a handmade flower. I put a wooden scissor button on there. We've got a silver scissor charm there. Plenty of journaling space. You can put a photo here. Photos, journaling in there. And here is two just plain white flower shape journaling cards popped in there. A photograph can be put in there, or journaling space, photograph, whatever, anything. And this pattern does have some lines on it which you can journal, just little notes or snippets or special sayings. Here we've got 3 little journaling cards. That one's stuck to the page. There we go. And that's the last 2 journaling pages. Okay, I got to the last page here when I realised I had no video. Oh, technology, eh? Okay, I'm going to do a pocket here, and then I'm going to put a tag inside. I'm going to do the pocket before